How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on any Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, open up your settings application and from here tap onto connections. Now here tap onto Wi-Fi, then tap onto settings and make sure you toggle on auto reconnect. Once you do so, go back to your settings page, scroll at the bottom of the page and tap on developer options. Make sure that you enable your developer options in your Android device first, and then search for Wi-Fi scan throttling option. Make sure you turn it on and toggle off the option that says mobile data always active. Now once you do all that, this shall fix your problem. If it's still not working and if your Wi-Fi connection is still showing that you are disconnecting, then you have to turn on your airplane mode while using your Wi-Fi. Once you do all that, restart your device and that shall fix your problem. Just like so, that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.